Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very famous recipe of East Indian wedding pickle. It's quite a traditional and authentic recipe. This pickle is served during weddings and special occasions. As you can see, I've got this big quantity of papayas here, around 10 to 12 kgs. But for right now, I'll be using 1 kg of papaya for the pickle. I've taken equal amount of carrots and 100 grams of green chilies. After cleaning and washing them very well, I've cut the carrots, papayas and green chilies. Next, I will apply 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons salt and mix it very well. I have kept it for sun drying for at least 4 to 5 hours in the hot sun. While the vegetables are getting sun dried, I will prepare a paste of vindaloo masala. Here I have taken 10 to 12 red chilies, 2 teaspoon cumin seed, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. First I will soak the red chilies in vinegar for half an hour and grind this masala to a fine paste. I am using approximately 1 liter of white vinegar for this recipe. Now to a vessel, I will add in the vinegar. Use vinegar of your choice. Make sure you use a steel vessel for this. Now I will add the vindaloo masala paste to this. Mix it and switch the flame to medium heat and bring it to boil. This brine is a bit different from the usual one. As you can see, I'm not adding any sugar or salt to this. In a pan, dry roast 100 grams of split yellow mustard seeds. Roast it only for a minute till it releases its flavor. I have taken around 350 grams of dried dates, de-seed and cut them into juliennes. Now after sun drying the vegetables for 4 to 5 hours, this is what it looks like. I'm using 100-gram crushed jaggery instead of sugar and 100 grams each ginger and garlic. Now in a large ceramic glass or plastic bowl, combine the sun-dried veggies along with green chilies, ginger garlic, dried dates, split mustard seeds, crushed jaggery, salt as required, now to this we will add the cooled brine. Now I will add the remaining vinegar. Mix it all really well and set it aside. I have transferred the pickle into this big plastic container so that I can mix it well for the next 8 to 10 days. Our East Indian wedding pickle is done and ready. I have transferred it into this sterilized glass jar. The wedding festivities in an East Indian community start with the preparation of the wedding pickle. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and tangy at the same time. No East Indian wedding is complete without this wedding pickle. 2 days back, I have made this another batch of 5 kg pickle. I enjoy making this pickle for my friends and family. This is another jar of pickle which I have made 2 months back. The thin slices of carrot and papaya absorb the flavors of mustard, vinegar, dates, and chilies, thus making it delectable. So, friends, if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more exciting recipes. Thanks for watching.